uphile uphuze uphumile pastor lokuyachaza makubona inamba empeleni into ebalekile fona ngoba imembisha nje kuphela awungu-WhatsApp fona from 9 to 5 kuphela mina ke upastor wini Matilda Mboni Nkuna yena pastor wini okay. It's not my home. Who says I come down, Matilda, who actually come along Clara, Lapa, so to play with the tip. But what Bama was a kind was a toy and telling a man's was short. Umagna the Puppe, Umundoma was a toy, no Pupa over so moon or Pila, toy no Pupu for some from us, actually a fan. Among a woman, the time young Bopin was so mundo and Mazio. Bopin for some thing a massive chowing or Bopin for some Sarano, but Yafan across over Septomi. So now it's now was shown. So this is very engaged what when Gakula could to no must not just 100 is for a pope. Almost immediately, that video. We are was also a machine of pillow time. Mina futhi number 1 yabo leyo unless you are so ignorant umuntu ongafuna ukusebenzisa lamandla nawo uzolokuthi ungabe kuphiko kwame immediately uvula video kune 05 when you feature way out years time futhi so la singakusho uphupha uvuso umuntu ebuthongweni so 1 kwabani uma uphupha umuntu ngabo ngasekho lomophilayo kuwuphawu oluhluma ivuse ebuthongweni lokho kusho ukuthi kungenzeka uyakhonjiswa ukuthi kumele uyekele ubuvila nokulibala noma ukunganaki kanye kanje kwezinto ezingakusizi ezingakusiphambili kunaloko ukhathalele noma usilungisele ikusasa ngenhlalo kahle kungenjalo uzolalelwa ubumpofu noma ubuphofu Isaka 6:9 uyakulala kuze kube nini vilandile uyakuvuka nini ebuthongweni bakho 2 omnyanga biyaka nje mangaze uphupha umuntu ongasekho noma nje umuntu uPaul from Michael ebuthongweni lokho kusho ukuthi ke kungenzeka uyakhonjiswa ukuthi kumele uhlahlambe uhlukane nomkhuba ongafuni ukuzisebenzela noma ukusebenzela ikusasa lakho Isaka 10:5 Olelo buthongo ngesikhathi sokuvuna indodana ehlazisayo 3 omnyanga ibheka kanje kuyenzeka uma uphupha umuntu ongasekho manje umuntu ubophola kumele usebuthongweni so lusho esinyathelo sokusindiswa nokukhishwa ezonweni nokukhuthazwa ukuthi shisekela ukubhabhadiswa ngibona so omunye umuntu lingabeka ngoba isayela umuntu njengamanje othatha isinyathelo sokusindiswa waphuma ezonweni wakhuthazwa ukuthi eshisekele ubhabhadiswa uyobe kunomuntu uzi-intervene usengenile lo ukubonisa yabo ngoba seFesu 5:14 ngaloko uthi ke phaphama wena olele uvuke kwabafileyo uKristu uza kukhanyisa kanti number 4 omunye angayibheka nje kwesinye isikhathi uma uphupha umuntu ongasekho noma yabo umuntu kuyabo Paul shume usebuthongweni osuke likhomba ngenzeka ucishe wafa wena ngaphambi kwesikhathi kanti uhlengwa usindiswa uvuswe ekufeni okade kuzama ukukuntshontsha ngabe ngenxa yemithwebulo yabathakatha bathina yabo ngokuka John 11:11 wakhuluma lo emva kwalokho wathi ke kubo uLazaro umhlobo wethu ulele kepha ke ngiyahamba ukumvusa ebuthongweni siyabonga ke uPaul ushe in all English umuntu ekuvusa kuphi ebuthongweni